Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our extra dim intensity function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our extra dim mode enabled. The screen is a little less bright. So let's change our intensity. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility option here, then visibility enhancements, and when we scroll down we have our extra dim function, and in here we have this slider here. As you can see, we can change intensity using this slider, and of course we can turn it off if we need to from here also. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.